Roof inspections demand precision, safety, and clear aerial views to detect damage, leaks, and structural issues efficiently. The best drone for roof inspections delivers stable flight, high-resolution cameras, smart navigation, and reliable performance for professionals and homeowners every single time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K drone is a compact yet highly capable aerial tool that stands out as an excellent option for roof inspections, photography, and everyday flying. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids registration requirements in many regions, making it convenient for homeowners and beginners who want a hassle-free flying experience. Despite its lightweight design, this drone delivers impressive performance with its 4K Ultra HD camera and 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth, stabilized footage even when capturing detailed roof surfaces or tight angles. The cinematic quality output makes it easy to spot cracked shingles, clogged gutters, or water damage with clarity. Its wind resistance up to level 5, supported by brushless motors, allows stable flight in moderate outdoor conditions, which is essential when inspecting rooftops exposed to open air. With a maximum speed of 38 kilometers per hour and the ability to operate at higher altitudes, it performs reliably across different environments. Battery life is another major strength, with options offering up to 93 minutes of total flight time, reducing interruptions during inspections. Beginner-friendly features such as one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, stable hovering. Number 2. SKYROVER X1 Drone. The SKYROVER X1 Drone is a feature-rich aerial platform designed for users who demand advanced imaging and intelligent flight assistance. Its standout capability is the 8K photo sensor combined with 4K 60 FPS HDR video recording, which delivers exceptional clarity for roof inspections, landscape photography, and content creation. Fine surface details such as cracks, rust, and debris are captured with remarkable precision, making analysis easier and more accurate. Weighing under 249 grams, the drone remains portable and avoids registration requirements in many regions, making it ideal for frequent travelers and casual pilots. One of its most impressive features is the 360-degree obstacle sensing system, which significantly reduces collision risks when flying near buildings, trees, or rooftops. This makes it especially suitable for complex inspection environments. The 50,000-foot transmission range, powered by SkyBridge technology, ensures stable 1080p live feeds even in dense urban areas, allowing operators to monitor rooftops in real time without signal drops. Number 3. PLEGBLE 4K Drone. The PLEGBLE 4K drone is a well-balanced aerial device that combines affordability with dependable performance, making it suitable for roof inspections and recreational flying. Equipped with an advanced GPS module, it offers enhanced safety through automatic return-to-home functions when the battery is low or the signal is lost. This feature provides peace of mind, especially for beginners who are still learning flight control. The drone's 4K HD camera features a 120-degree wide-angle lens and a 90-degree adjustable angle, allowing users to capture broad roof surfaces and detailed close-ups with ease. Its 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth, real-time video streaming to smartphones, enabling accurate monitoring during inspections. With 2 high-capacity batteries included, the PLEGBLE drone offers up to 46 minutes of total flight time, which is sufficient for extended surveying sessions without frequent recharging. Brushless motors improve overall stability and efficiency, delivering smoother flights and better resistance against light wind. The built-in altitude hold system further enhances hovering accuracy, making it easier to focus on capturing clear images. Long-range transmission up to 1,968 feet gives users flexibility to explore rooftops. Number 4. Veeniix V11 Mini Drone.
The Veeniix V11 Mini drone is a compact yet powerful aerial solution designed for users who want professional-level performance in a portable form. Its foldable, pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry, while still delivering impressive imaging capabilities through its 1/2-inch CMOS sensor. With support for 8K photos and 4K 30 FPS video, this drone captures roof surfaces, textures, and structural details with exceptional clarity. The combination of a 3-axis brushless gimbal and EIS stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, even during extended flights or light wind conditions. Cruise control further enhances stability, allowing hands-free operation for consistent inspection passes. One of the biggest advantages of the Veeniix V11 Mini is its comprehensive kit, which includes 3 batteries, spare propellers, charging cables, and a protective carrying case, enabling immediate use without additional purchases. The 3 batteries provide up to 96 minutes of total flight time, reducing downtime and improving workflow efficiency. Fast charging technology allows all batteries to be powered simultaneously, keeping the
Number 5. Veeniix V11 Pro Drone. The Veeniix V11 Pro drone is a high-performance aerial platform built for users who demand advanced imaging, extended flight time, and professional control features. Its 1/2-inch CMOS sensor and advanced camera system enable stunning 8K image capture and smooth 4K 30 FPS video recording, providing exceptional detail for roof inspections and visual documentation. The 5-digital zoom allows operators to examine specific areas without flying too close, improving safety and precision. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and EIS anti-shake technology, the drone produces stable, crystal-clear footage even during dynamic movement. One of its major highlights is the 6-kilometer FPV digital transmission system, which maintains a strong and reliable connection over long distances. This allows users to inspect large properties or multiple rooftops without repositioning frequently. The dual battery system offers up to 80 minutes of total flight time, while fast PD 3.0 charging minimizes downtime. Intelligent battery management ensures long-term safety through automatic discharge during extended periods of inactivity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.